Hello everyone, welcome to Guru Schools. This is Manas Tiwari. I'll be introducing you and bringing to you a new training track that we are introducing, which is IICS, that is Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. So I'll give you a brief course overview and walk you through what we provide through as a part of this training track, what is our offering, and we'll go through the details. So here's a quick glimpse of the course overview. This will be generally a 2 to 3 month course. Over a period of this 2 to 3 months, we'll be covering all the major topics that are relevant for IICS. IICS is basically a bunch of cloud services that is offered by Informatica. So, as you all might be aware that the world is moving towards cloud, there are a lot of cloud providers in the market, and there are a lot of migrations that are happening. There are a lot of connectivities that are required for the data movement across these cloud environments. So IICS is a very competent and market leader tool which helps the different companies move their data across different clouds or even handle their regular transformations that they have been doing in the legacy world since many decades. So basically the course overview would contain of ETL data warehousing concepts, Informatica cloud overview, runtime environments, all these major services that are provided. One of the key services, cloud data integration, which is analogous to what the on-prem version of Informatica used to be called Power Center, which has been a market leader since more than 20 years now. So, as a part of the cloud data integration, which is in brief called CDI as well, we'll be covering cloud mapping designer, mapping transformations, all the types of tasks, task flows, mapping parameters, replication task, synchronization task. There is something new that has been recently introduced called as dynamic mapping. Also, the mass ingestion capabilities that cloud Informatica Cloud Services provide is a very high class offering. Uh, and we'll go through the administrator overview with how we monitor and schedule using the out-of-the-box utilities available from ICS. How do we handle errors? How do we optimize the performance? There is something very cool which has been offered via intelligent structure model where it recognizes the schema related stuff basically. And we'll also cover a brief overview of the CI, which is cloud application integration. So ISCS is a very a new tool and it is already capturing the market. You can easily expect salaries in six figures once you go through this. And the key offering from our side is that this entire training is free of cost. So basically, we do not charge anything for the training, but instead we have a six-pillar structure which we'll go through in detail in the next slide. So we at Guru Schools have a six-pillar offering that we provide to you. So first of all would be a say instructor-led training, which can be anything over a 6 week of uh, course basically. So it can last from 2 to 3 months generally. And then at the end of the course, that end of training, you will be getting a certificate to get a stamp of your efforts and validate your learnings. And then we'll also help you in preparing the resume, how you can present yourself in the market using your CV. Then the next step would be we'll be providing you support for the vendor interview to help you provide proceed to the next steps, and also we'll be assisting you during the client interviews for the preparation and the coaching. Also, once you're deployed into the project, we'll be providing you an ongoing project support. So this is something very unique, and this is why most of the students prefer Guru schools. So, why basically Informatica? Just to develop some confidence, why exactly Informatica is a key market leader? This is a Gartner chart from August 2021, where you can see that Informatica is leading this data integration fraternity at the top. And Informatica provides a lot of services, lot of products it has in the market, and IICS is an attempt to capture everything under the same umbrella of cloud services as the world is moving towards cloud. So there are a lot of companies, Fortune 500 companies, which have been using ISCS extensively. To name a few, Verizon, which is a telecom giant, eBay, which is a leading e-commerce website, PayPal, which is a payment solutions provider, British Telecom, Avis Budget Group, and many, many more. So this is a glimpse of what are the different kind of services at a high level provided by ICS. This is not the complete list. This is just a quick insight of the major services. Data integration being the key service there. Data profiling, data quality, API manager also they provide, and lots of services basically. The major edge that ISCS provides in the market is by providing a lot of connectors. So, any connector that you can imagine today, any of the leading connectors, any applications that you might have heard of, which is storing data, which is consuming data, ISCS is most likely to have a connector with it, which is provided out of the box. So yeah, this was the course overview, and I am sure that you would be, thinking and looking forward to the course. For any inquiries regarding the training, any support, any information that you would want to get regarding Guru Schools or regarding the course, please do reach out to us on the email ID shared on the screen. And also, you can check our YouTube channel and also our LinkedIn profile to get an overview of what we do here at Guru Schools. So yeah, all the best with your training quest and see you soon at Guru Schools. Thank you.